Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the two goods to plot, name them clearly, and commit to measuring both in consistent units. Next, count the total resources available, hours of labor, machines, or acres, and lock technology as fixed. Once done, set a production range for each good, from 0 to maximum if all resources went to that good. Make sure to record opportunity costs per unit as you go. These early choices determine the shape and scale of the frontier. Now, work through reallocation step by step. Move small resource chunks from good A to good B and compute resulting outputs. For each reallocation, calculate the opportunity cost, how many units of A you give up to gain 1 unit of B, and record it in a table. Once you have several combinations, plot points with one good on the horizontal axis and the other on the vertical axis. Connect them smoothly. The curve slope reflects changing opportunity costs and efficient trade-offs. Finish by drawing a smooth curve through your plotted production points to reveal the Production Possibilities Frontier. Then interpret locations. Points on the curve are efficient, inside points show underused resources, and outside points are currently unattainable. Use the curve to explain trade-offs and comparative advantage between producers. If the curve looks irregular or non-concave, stop and recheck resource accounting, unit conversions, and opportunity cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.